Okay, Beshem Hashem Nasim Nasiach, a quick, interesting concept about using honey during Rosh Hashana. So Harav Ben Ish Chai Alav Shalom, in his Sefer, his well-known Sefer Ben Ish Chai, he speaks about halachot, speaks about hanhagot of Rosh Hashanah, particularly the simanim of the first night and the second night of Rosh Hashanah. As we know, among Am Yisrael, there are different minhagim and customs of what to have the nights of Rosh Hashanah. We previously spoke about this, that there is a minhag to dip apple in the honey. But it's interesting that Harav Ben Ish Chai Alav Shalom doesn't bring honey. And he says cooked apple in sugar. And he doesn't mention honey at all. So one of the reasons brought is because honey resembles dinim, judgments. And we want to stay away from judgments. On Rosh Hashanah, we don't eat spicy food. We eat only sweet. We're hoping for a sweet Shana Tova Umetuka, a sweet year. So, if so, how come there is a well-known minhag of dipping apple in the honey? And if there is such a minhag, should we continue that minhag? So I have brought this question to Harav Eliyahu Netanyahu Shalita, and Harav Eliyahu Netanyahu Shalita mentioned, yes, because this is a minhag, and there is a very good sources behind this minhag. So we are not worried about the fact that honey itself is din. In fact, if you want to go that far, then one could say you cannot make chidush. What is chidush on? Chidush is on wine, right? And the red wine resembles dinim. Right? That's why we add water to it, which is chesed to the din. So based on this, Harav Eliyahu Netanyahu Shalita says no problem. Go ahead, dip the apple in the honey, and Be'ezrat Hashem, just like we dip apples in the honey, wishing each other a sweet year, may it be a happy sweet year for all of us, for all Am Yisrael, and with a lot of sweetened dinim. Amen.